Welcome everybody and welcome to another weekly update where we look at the overall market conditions, short term and long term. Where we will start with the S&P 500, SPX is the ticker symbol. Excuse me, here's the long term chart. Going back over a few years, you see at the bottom here, 15, 16, 17, right up to spring of May 18. And the bull market began, my proprietary system predicted right about there, 7th of November 2016, and has not yet told me to get out, which is why all through this recent malaise the market's been in, really since end of January, I've maintained that this is still a bull market to proven otherwise, and here it is. And it's after this ridiculous blow off that had to really correct. It took a while to work off that overbought condition, and pleased to say that it's back above the all important. This blue line here actually, as I put this week, is the 50-day moving average. It was like a short term. And the red line here is a 40-week moving average, you average over 40 weeks. And the main thing is that this line has barely had a kink put in it from that recent direction. It is pointing straight up and the price is healthily above that. This is a bull market, has been since then, no changes. And that's really the important thing. The talking heads on television have been umming and ahhing way back when. Is this a bull market? When will it stop being a bull market? On and on they go. But you just have to listen to the market. And that's what it said. It said bull market here, and yeah, it's still a bull market, and there it is. Let's look at the short-term chart. S&P 500 again over the last 6 months now, and we can see this bouncing. One of the things that helped me, stick with this is it pretty much was respecting its 200-day moving average, is bouncing along it, is biding its time. And more recently, there was this little pocket of resistance here around this 2707 line. And it got above it and it's holding above it. You notice that. You see there's a line here around 2700. That was old resistance, which looks like it could be new support, because that's really holding steady along that line there, really respecting it. So that's in really good shape. So I'm going to say short-term trend is up as well as the long-term trend is up, and all green lights. I will speak to you next time.